In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Replit. It's a website that you'll be using to do your work, your coding, and you'll be submitting links to your work on this website for your assignments. After you've signed up for Replit, when you first go to it, you'll be presented with this page. What you want to do is up in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click Create. From there, for this course, you'll be using C++ for your language. For the title, I'd recommend leaving the default randomly generated title and just clicking on Create REPL. This will take you to your coding window where you can see your code and the output of your code. You can see there's already some example code here. So what we can do here is we can click on the Run button to see what the output of this is. If you have errors in your code, it'll also show you the errors. For instance, I've purposely messed up this code, and you can see the error over here. We'll be learning in this course how to deal with errors as well. So once your code is ready to be submitted, either for me to review if you need help, or if you are ready to turn in your assignment, you'll use the URL at the top here. You'll copy and paste that into Canvas under the assignment where it asks for the URL for your work. If you have any questions with this process, don't hesitate to contact me and ask. You can email me, or you can start a conversation in Canvas. Thank you.